Stop scrolling. If you want to pass your Class 9 Maths exam easily, these questions are a must-do. Assalamu alaikum, students. In this video, I have shared most important questions from chapters 1 to 4 that can really help you in your board exams. If you are confused about what to prepare, just focus on these questions. They are very important and repeated concepts. Don't just watch. Take a notebook. Pause the video. Solve each question yourself. This is the best way to improve your concepts and score good marks. Make sure you practice all of them, especially the important topics. If you prepare these properly, your exam will become much easier. If this video helps you, like, share with your friends, and subscribe for more exam preparation videos. Best of luck for your exams. Allah Hafiz.